Welcome to Obhi's Math Pathshala. Today's topic is finitely generated abelian group.
So therefore, this is a new basis for G. Now from star, if we see that if this R1, R3, Rn, if any one of them are non-zero, then this will contradict the least property of D1, because we have already assumed that D1 is the least element of this P. It is of all bases. If we consider the representations of non-zero elements of K, the non-zero coefficients will be considered, and we take the least element from those non-zero integers, and D1 is the list of all those non-zero integers. But if R1, R2, R3, Rn, if any one of them is non-zero, then due to this fact, since Rj's are less than D1, strictly less than D1, so this will contradict the least property of D1. So we can write that. So from star, we see that our choice of basis y1 for the least coefficient for the least coefficient d1 greater than 0, we must have all those R2, R3, Rn are 0. For otherwise, if at least one of them is non-zero, then otherwise we will find one coefficient, one non-zero coefficient Rj satisfying. Rj is strictly less than D1, which contradicts the least property of D1. Yeah. So these R2, R3, Rn, all of them are 0, and thus we have W1 becomes D1 X1. So it is in K. Okay. Now we are considering new basis for G of the form. So now we are considering basis for G of the form x1, y2, y3, yn. Okay, and then each element of K can be represented as h1 x1, k2 y2, kn yn, right? where h1, k2, kn, these are integers. Okay. Now since d1 x1 is a member of k, so again by division algorithm, so we can divide h1 by d1. So by division algorithm, h1 can be written as d1 q star plus r star, where 0 less or equal to r star less than d1. By division algorithm, this we can find, and which gives us that that if we subtract this element from if we subtract d1 x1 from this element, we have, so h1 d1 q star okay x1 k2 y2, yeah, kn yn, so it is actually r star x1 plus k2 y2 kn yn, and still it is in k. Now see that, now if r star is non-zero, then r star less than d1, which violates again the least property of d1, right? And therefore r star must be 0 and must be 0, which implies that h1 is d1 q star. And so k2 y2 k3 y3 kn yn belongs to k. Okay, so this part is also in k. Okay, so now we are considering those elements of k which are of the form this. Okay, so in the same fashion, for every basis of the form x1 y2 y3 yn for G, we shall consider those elements of K which are of the form k2 y2 k3 y3 kn yn. Yeah. For every basis of the form x1, y2, y3, yn for G, we shall consider those elements of K which are of the form this, and we will choose the least coefficient amongst all such expressions in K. Okay. So amongst all such expressions in K. Okay. Okay. Now, if all those K2, K3, Kn all are 0, if all Ki's are 0 for all I equal to 2, 3, n, then uh, then we see that K is generated by D1 x1 because it is non-zero. And we are done. So we have got one basis for K, which is D1 x1, since it is non-zero. If each of these coefficients will be 0 for all the cases, then K is generated by only D1 x1. Since D1 x1, देखो, it is in K. Yeah. If not, then we can find out. So if not, then there exists a basis y2 for G, and there exists an element W2 belongs to K such that W2 will be D2 Y2 K3 Y3 Kn Yn, where D2 greater than 0 is the least element what we have described above. Okay, so D2 is the least element what we have described, that is, so we choose the least coefficient amongst all such expressions in K. So that we have described above. So exactly in the same fashion above, and y2 is, so it is x1 y2 y3 yn. So exactly in the same fashion, exactly in the same way, we can modify our basis. We can modify our basis from y2 equal to x1 y2 yn to a basis x1 x2 yn for G, where d1 x1 is always in K and d2 x2 will be in K. Okay, so this x2 has been chosen in this way. The way we have choose x1. This one. That is, we are just applying division algorithm in the division of each of these coefficients by d2. Then you will find out this x2 exactly in the same way. And this will again be a basis by inserting this x2 in place of y2. Just by renumbering, yeah, you should mention this described above. After renumbering the basis elements. Yeah. What we have done earlier also. So d2x2 belongs to k2. Now again by applying, so again using division algorithm, d2 can be written as d1 q dashed plus r dashed, where 0 less or equal to r dashed less than d1. And so we see that just if we replace x1 by x1 plus q dashed x2, x2, y3, y4, yn. So this is again a basis for G. Basis for G. This one. What is the reason? What is the reason for this? Because of this one. Just if we put the expression for d2, that is d1 q dash plus r dash, then what you will get? You will get this one, that is d1 x1 plus d2 x2. So what is d2? That is d1 q dash plus r dash x2. So that means, so if we take d1 common, so it will have x1 plus q dash x2 plus this one r dash x2 and so on. So this basis element can be replaced by this one, x1 plus q dash x2. So this is again a basis for G. And so d1, yeah, d1x1 plus d2x2, so it is d1x1 q dash x2 plus r dash x2, which is in K. But by our least choice, for D1, so we must have R dash is 0, because D1 was the least amongst all expressions. D1 was the least amongst all expressions for non-zero elements of K, right? So that is why R dash must be 0. There is no other possibility. And so D2 has been written as, so D2 can be written as D1 Q dash, that is D1 divides D2. So now we will continue this process. So we now consider all bases of the form x1, x2, y3, yn for the group G, and express the and also consider, and we shall consider all those elements of K, all those elements of K which are of the form K3 y3, K4 y4, Kn yn. And the process continues until we obtain a basis. The process continues until we obtain a basis x1, x2, xs, ys1, yn for G. Where the only elements of K since S was the rank of K, so the only elements of K of the form Ks plus 1, Ys plus 1, Kn, Yn, so is 0. Because the rank of K is S. So there will be no expressions like this one. Okay. So that is all those Ki's are 0 for all I equal to S plus 1, S plus 2, N. So let us rename rename x s plus 1 is y s plus 1, x s plus 2 equal to y s xn equal to yn, and so we have obtained a basis for G which is x1, x2, xn, and there exist positive integers d1, d2, ds such that di divides di plus 1 and d1 x1 ds xs is a basis for k. That is, each time we will reach one case, that is where each ki is 0, then we see that k is generated by d1 x1. So at the s step we will have